Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a subject that puts fear in every caravanner, and that's the subject of damp. So firstly, this is the front locker of our caravan. The floor is completely rotten with damp. All the way along the front, it's absolutely saturated. I don't know, is it just the usual under the floor problem? Okay. But the moral of this story is to make sure when you're buying a caravan, no matter how old it is, get an independent, qualified person to inspect the caravan first and get a report done. Hopefully it has a clean bill of health. You buy the caravan with confidence. If it doesn't have a clean bill of health, then you're walking away maybe having spent maybe £100, £150 to pay somebody to do that report. It's certainly a lot cheaper than spending thousands on a caravan that then you're left with problems with. So that's the Aldi Porch awning, £123 currently with the offers they've got on. Without the offers, I think it was £199. A great little awning, really good value for money. Hi, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to go through 10 top pieces of technology you can implement in your caravan. So let's get right into the list. So first on the list is MaxView Roam. MaxView Roam is an internet connection system. It comes with an aerial that fits on the roof and a router that fits inside the caravan. It allows you to connect to the internet via 4G or via Wi-Fi, and allows you to do all your streaming and browsing while in the caravan. Number 3 is a Sonos Roam speaker. This is a compact Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker. It's available in either black or white. Its 430 gram weight gives it a solid but still portable feel. It also comes with an IP67 waterproof rating, making it perfect for outdoor use. Number 5 is a Cookology mini portable dishwasher. This dishwasher currently retails at £259.99. As you can see from the dimensions here, it's portable enough to fit inside any mobile home or caravan. Number 10, DeLonghi espresso machine. With 15 bar pressure, create your perfect espresso. With the attached steam wand, you can create a lovely frothy milk for your cappuccinos. Hi, welcome back. It's a lovely sunny October day today and I'm starting to get the caravan prepared for winter. In today's video we are going to make our own drain down kit. Hopefully in the winter months there'll be no water left in the system, therefore no pipes will freeze. Okay, these are the items that we'll be using for our drain down kit today. Okay, first of all, the Whale water pump. This is just an old one I bought off eBay as a spare, and what we're going to do today is we're going to remove the actual pump part here, just unclip the pipe from this end, and in place of this we're going to put the tyre valve. So let's get on and do that. Okay, just to show you what we've done then. This is the tyre valve before it was touched. Effectively we've chopped the end of the tyre valve off, so that's this piece here. We've chopped down approximately to that line there, and then we've pushed that into the end of this pipe with the Juba clip around just to tighten it off. And in theory what we should now do is unscrew this cap, attach the compressor to this end and the other end of the pump to the actual water outlet in the caravan. And the theory is that you pump up to 15 psi of air into the system, and then when you're ready you release the taps to allow that air to blow through and effectively blow out the water that's in the system. Once that's all done, we can attach the pump on the outside, we can put some pressure into the system, and then we can come back in to the caravan, open the taps, and let's see how much water we get out of this system. Right then, we're going to start now with the kitchen sink tap. I'm going to open the cold side of the tap first, and let's see what happens. Right then, let's try the bathroom tap. Probably similar amount there. And now let's try the shower. Okay, and finally the shower head. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of water out the system there. That would have been left in the pipes, potentially ready to freeze over in the winter months. May have done some damage, may not have done some damage, but I'd rather it be out than in. So that's the job finished. I appreciate you watching. If you've got any questions or comments, please put them down below. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd really help the channel grow. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.